My name's Rob Shilliker. I'm the session leader for the Sing and Smile in Rows-on-Sea. Since retiring and being off work, not doing anything, I ended up coming on one of the sessions and enjoyed it.
We sing everything, from the 40s, 50s, 60s. We can't sing, but we sing, and it's good company. And it gets you out of your apartment and meeting new people.
My name's Rita. I moved here 3 years ago. We're both retired, hubby and I, so it's very difficult to make friends. And I saw this and I thought, oh, I like to have a sing. I'll go and see what that's all about. And basically, that was it.
We're all very friendly here. You know, you just chat amongst yourselves and have a cup of tea, of course, and a biscuit if you want it.
You know, we just have a laugh and a giggle, and last Christmas, after the Christmas session, we went out for a meal together, and we're doing the same this year, which is nice, particularly for somebody like me that doesn't know people. The only people I know are my family.
I enjoy coming. I get up on a Tuesday morning and think, oh, going singing today, great.
This is just a nice way to spend a Tuesday morning once a month.
A lot of the participants around here come from the retirement community. From my own perspective, if I don't come here, I'll spend the day at home. And I find that they're probably in the same as me. They can come here once a month, have a chat, have a sing-along, and get to enjoy an hour or two of meeting with other people and just sharing it with them. Shining like the sun.